Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is KTPL4 and Karachi Table Premier League. It's match 1, DHA Dabangs versus Clifton Popular. It's live from DHA Sports Club, Moin Khan Academy.
Clifton Popular's captain Asad Shah has won the toss and opted to bowl first.
Here we go for the final, and Asif will gonna bowl first delivery. Down the leg side, and KTPL4 started with an extra delivery.
I would say it started with nerves.
A full toss delivery played with a straight bat. It's racing towards boundary. So first boundary with the bat of TM of KTPL4. Here we go. Is it the first maximum of the KTPL4? Yes, it is. Goes the mid-wicket boundary for the maximum. What a good shot that was.
Well, in the slot, and see you later, says Taimur Mirza once again.
Here we go. Another one. Yes, it is the same area and the same results. Another maximum. Is it the third one? Is it the third one? Yes, it is. So first hat-trick of the maximum in the first over of KTPL4. Here we go for the first delivery of the second over. Archie Butt hit that hard towards square leg area, and it's a boundary. So very good start. Here we go. It's another maximum. Look at that shot. Brilliant batting. It's the second delivery. Good delivery, but with the straight bat, straight as an arrow. It's over the bowler's head for the maximum. What a shot that was. Here we go. Here we go. Yes, it's traveling and traveling outside the stadium for the maximum. So it's a good shot and into the gaps, racing towards boundary. Another very good shot from Arsalan Archie.
But there goes the batsman. He really picks the bounce out of it, and it's gone all the way.
A little change in the length and the ball goes out of the park. Absolutely brilliant by Arsalan.
This one is going and has gone out of here. What a tremendous and a gigantic hit. Oh, here we go. Here we go. He picked out the man at the long on boundary. And Arsalan gets out after making very fine 40 of just 15 balls.
Well, at once we thought this might go out of the park, but did not get the distance. Arsalan will have to go back to pavilion for 40 runs.
And Ali is the one who got a wicket. Oh, it's got another one. He's got another one. Absolutely shocked him. Batsmen had no clue whatsoever, and bails were dislodged.
Those Yorkers paid off, and again getting Shah on the very first delivery. A quicker one.
Raza Naqvi goes for none. It's 81 for 2. This one is going. What a terrific shot. Hit that one through the line.
What a use of the wrist.
Taimur goes again. And result is the same. 6 more. Half measures at all. This one is going towards the leg side. There is somebody protecting in the countrysides. And Taimur Mirza got his half century. Has to be a run out. No, it hasn't. Oh, they had a very good chance to make a run out, but they couldn't really able to do so. Taimur Mirza gets his half century in just 19 ball, and they have reached the 100 as well. Asif has gone for 44. At least they are looking for a couple of runs, which they will get quite comfortably at the end. So they have ended their first innings at 103 for the loss of 2 wickets.
का आगाज, पहली बॉल फुल टॉस लेग साइड पर, वाइड का इशारा अंपायर की जानिब से, एक्स्ट्रा के साथ स्टार्ट किया यहां पर। और इस बार खेले हैं फील्डर के सर के ऊपर से गैप में, 4 रन हासिल करेंगे यहां पर फहद।
गेंद की रफ्तार इतनी तेज नहीं थी, लेकिन फील्डर ने कोशिश की। इस मरतबा शानदार तरीके से उठा के खेल दिया है 6 रन के लिए।
जी हाँ, जिसकी जरूरत थी, जिसका इंतजार था। और एक मरतबा फिर लेग साइड पे सेम पोजीशन, इस बार गेंद दूर जाएगी 6 रन के लिए।
बिल्कुल नहीं छोड़ेंगे फहद आलम मियां चन्नू।
और जहां छोड़ कर गए थे पिछले सीजन, बस एक बाउंस, 4 रन के लिए गेंद। असद शाह इस बार फ्री हिट का भरपूर फायदा उठाया, गेंद को सीधा बाउंड्री लाइन के ऊपर से बाहर 6 रन के लिए। तो फिर हेलीकॉप्टर शॉट, रिजल्ट सेम, 6 रन।
यकीनी तौर पर अब भरपूर साथ देते हुए फहद आलम मियां चन्नू का असद शाह।
एक मरतबा फिर लेग साइड पर गैप में खेला है, 4 रन हासिल करेंगे यहां पर असद शाह। फहद मियां चन्नू, गेंद हवा में, फील्डर गेंद के नीचे, एक आसान कैच यहां पर लिया। और फहद मियां चन्नू को अब पेविलियन की तरफ वापस जाना पड़ेगा।
आसान सा कैच लेकर यहां फहद आलम मियां चन्नू की इनिंग का खात्मा किया और ऊपर की तरफ खेले थे फहद आलम मियां चन्नू, इसलिए गेंद 38 सर्कल में रही, कोई गलती नहीं की। 24 रन जब बनाने के बाद आउट हुए, 2 चौके और 2 छक्के इनिंग में शामिल रहे। हिट लगाई है इस मरतबा, यकीनी तौर पर पहली गेंद पर शानदार छक्का लगा दिया है हसन कदीर ने।
शानदार शॉट, इस बार कनेक्ट किया है शानदार तरीके से, गेंद हवा में, 6 रन के लिए।
दे रहा है दुरुस्त आए, टॉस गेंद थी इस मरतबा धकेला है वाइडिश में डॉन की जानिब, गेंद चली गई 4 रन के लिए। फील्डर ने कोशिश जरूर की लेकिन कामयाब नहीं हो सके।
Head towards square leg area. Is it a boundary? Yes, it's a very good shot. Here we go. Is it a big shot? Yes, it's clearing the fence over the long off boundary for the maximum. What a shot that was.
Lovely shot. The best place to hit the ball on the ground is straight.
Just on 7 deliveries. And this time, it's big. It's biggie. And now you pay the price and face the music.
The only person catching that is maybe somebody walking past the DHA Moin Khan Academy right now, because nobody's catching that in the ground. I think that's gone again. That's another huge one over mid-wicket. Wow!
2 runs now remaining for the first innings. The trail by 2 runs. 2 overs. It's a full toss and got the punishment. Don't bowl against Asad Shah.
Yeah, he's missed his length there. I think he was looking for the Yorker. I think that's gone as well. Long off. What a shot! That's a beautiful cricket shot. Straight back, no slogging in that shot whatsoever. Lovely timing.
It's outside the awesome. It's lovely over the extra cover. Wow. You could watch it, this class of Arshad Shah stand and deliver into the stands. He's not out on 49. And here we go. If it's with the bat, it's a 50 for Arshad Shah. Let's see the decision from the umpire, the signal from the umpire. So there is no signal. It means that it's 50 from Arshad.
Of 15 balls. I think that's another one over mid-wicket. This time he's just, it's up all the way for 6. If there's one area I don't think you can bowl in tape ball cricket, it's a length ball.
It's a better delivery, and that was the length which we were talking about. Looking for 2. Good running between the wicket.
So the lead is 34 runs. 36. 36 runs. I mean, I'm new to this format, so I'm learning as I'm going along. I don't know. Is that a very impressive lead? I think that's a pretty good lead. That's a pretty solid lead to have.